Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into: Python versus JavaScript. Which one to learn in 2023 for job opportunities? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends and career advice. Let's jump right into it. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's set the stage. Python and JavaScript are two of the most popular programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and applications. In this video, we are going to explore which one might be the better choice for you, considering job prospects in 2023. Python. First up, Python. Known for its readability and versatility, Python has been a darling of the programming world for years. Here's why you might want to learn it. Python strengths. 1. Python is an excellent choice for beginners. Its clean syntax and readability make it relatively easy to pick up, making it an ideal starting point for those new to coding. 2. Python is used extensively in various industries, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. In 2023, the demand for Python developers in these fields is expected to remain strong. 3. Python's vast library ecosystem, featuring popular packages like NumPy, TensorFlow, and Django, simplifies development and speeds up project delivery. 4. Python's community is massive and active, offering abundant learning resources, forums, and a supportive environment. Python weaknesses. However, Python isn't without its limitations. 1. It might not be the best choice for every domain. For example, if you're interested in game development or building real-time applications, Python might not be the most performant option. 2. Python can sometimes suffer from slower execution speeds compared to languages like C++ or Rust, which can be a concern in certain applications. JavaScript. Next up, JavaScript. It's often said that if you want to work on web development, you need to know JavaScript. But there's more to it. JavaScript strengths. 1. JavaScript is the undisputed king of web development. It's used for both front-end and back-end development, making it essential for building dynamic websites and web applications. 2. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript has expanded its horizons into server-side development, enabling developers to work on the full web stack using a single language. 3. The job market for JavaScript developers remains robust, with companies constantly seeking talent for both front-end and back-end positions. 4. JavaScript has a thriving open-source community and a vast collection of libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, making development faster and more efficient. JavaScript weaknesses. But, of course, JavaScript isn't without its own set of challenges. 1. JavaScript's asynchronous nature can be challenging for beginners to grasp. Dealing with callbacks, promises, and async await can be a learning curve. 2. Browser compatibility issues can be frustrating, as not all browsers interpret JavaScript in the same way. Developers often need to write workarounds to ensure cross-browser compatibility. Job prospects. Now, let's talk about job prospects in 2023 for both Python and JavaScript. 1. Python. As mentioned earlier, Python's versatility has led to a strong demand for Python developers across various domains. Jobs in data science, machine learning, and web development are abundant. 2. JavaScript. With the ever-growing web and mobile app market, JavaScript developers continue to be in high demand. Front-end, back-end, and full-stack positions offer excellent opportunities. 3. Ultimately, the choice between Python and JavaScript should align with your career goals and interests. Consider your passions and what type of projects you want to work on. Conclusion. To sum it up, both Python and JavaScript offer promising job prospects in 2023, but the key is to pick the one that aligns with your interests and career goals. Remember, the best programming language to learn is the one that keeps you motivated to learn and build exciting projects. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring developers. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.